Ever feel like women say they want one thing, but actually fall for something else? Maybe you've heard, just be nice, but the guy she's into is doing something totally different. The truth is, there are hidden traits women love that they don't always talk about. Today, I'm breaking down 5 unusual things that secretly make men irresistible. Let's go. 1. The ability to stay unfazed. Ever notice how some men lose their cool over the smallest things? Not attractive. Women love a man who can stay calm and collected under pressure. It signals strength, leadership, and reliability, and trust me, that's hot. Imagine, she's stressed out, and you just say, "Relax, I got this." She's overthinking something, and you're cool as ice. That's the guy she remembers. 2. A man who can walk away. Most guys chase too hard. They text too much, try too hard, and put women on a pedestal. But the truth? Women respect a man who can walk away. Not in a rude way, not in a game-playing way, but in a self-respecting way. If you're the guy who's willing to walk away when disrespected suddenly, you become 10 times more attractive. Because a man who values himself? That's rare. 3. Being genuinely passionate about something. Forget trying to impress women with cars. Real attraction comes from passion. Whether it's music, sports, business, or even something weird, if you love it, own it. When you talk about something with genuine enthusiasm, it's magnetic. Passion equals energy, and energy is contagious. A guy who's fully into something, even if it's nerdiest, way more attractive than a guy who's just trying to be cool. 4. The right kind of playfulness. Women love a guy who knows how to be playful, but confident. And no, I don't mean childish or goofy. I mean the type of guy who can tease her lightly. "Wow, you take forever to text back. Are you writing a novel?" Be fun without being needy. Laugh at himself. When you create that fun, effortless energy, women want to be around you. Because attraction isn't just about deep conversations. It's also about making her feel something. 5. Mysterious confidence. You know what's more attractive than talking about yourself constantly? Leaving a little mystery. The best men don't overshare everything right away. They don't try to prove themselves. They let women wonder about them. You don't have to explain every thought. You don't need to prove yourself. Just be comfortable in your own skin and let her figure you out. Because curiosity, that's one of the strongest drivers of attraction. Attraction isn't about trying too hard, it's about being the man who doesn't need to try hard. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Because real attraction, it's about how you make her feel.